Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the exact hue so adjustments affect only that color. Open the file and duplicate the background to preserve pixels. Then choose Select Color Range and click the color you want to remove. Increase fuzziness until most of that color is selected. Once done, add a hue/saturation adjustment layer. It inherits the selection as a mask. Now lower saturation or shift hue to neutralize the color while keeping surrounding tones intact, which prevents global desaturation. Now you refine the edit so transitions look natural. In the hue/saturation layer, pick the color range, reds, greens, blues, and slide saturation to -100 or nudge hue until the tint disappears. You can also reduce lightness slightly to match exposure. Next, click the mask and paint with a soft black/white brush to remove or restore areas. Use Select and Mask to feather edges and remove hard halos. Finally, add a black and white or selective color layer underneath. To finish, inspect your image at full zoom and correct any leftover halos or color leakage. Use a small clone stamp or spot healing on a copied layer for tricky edges. When fine details remain, refine the adjustment mask with a soft brush and a slight feather. If you see colored fringing, try layer matting to fringe 1px or run a subtle channel-specific blur on the fringe. Save a layered PSD for future edits, and export a flattened PNG or JPEG for delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.